We started to explore AI just because it's kind of the buzzword. We did some experimentation, and that's kind of where we learned ad hoc was not going to be sustainable. So is there a better way to address AI? Hi, my name is Gary Gaffney, and my role is Executive Vice President of Technology and Systems at MadEngine Global. MadEngine is a global manufacturer of licensing apparel. We are an asset development company. We sell licensed merchandise. So our artists are constantly creating new art. That art is then getting ingested into our asset management system. And then we had a team, literally a team of librarians that would go in and individually tag that information in those assets as they were ingested. We only could do a subset of the metadata that we really wanted or desired. So I had to make hard choices and say, well, what are the critical metadata pieces I need? Trust and security is everything, and it was really important that any platform we choose have trust and security because we're a licensor of other people's IP as well as our own IP. And in addition, it's also the data control piece in terms of ensuring that any of the work that's done is owned and operated within the MadEngine tenant. So Vertesia, as a SaaS platform, gave us that functionality, that trust, that security. It's giving us a level of intelligence that we could never achieve manually. The other point is that we are now able to tag all the metadata fields. We can discernibly create large descriptions, short descriptions, SEO content, as well as we get the vectorization of that image. Now we can leverage that in a lot of downstream processes, whether it's new art creation and say find everything with similar stuff. We worked very hard with them to establish where is there an opportunity. What Vertesia did really well is not only help us identify those, but then really help us sequence the work that we were doing. It's really transforming how we manage and utilize our art throughout the organization. And it's really expediting art getting to our sales teams more rapidly so we have art quicker. So it's really driving speed to market overall. Having a centralized platform where it's the center or hub of our AI development and processing has been critical because we're not limited in any way, shape, or form. Everybody's a little bit afraid of AI at first. It's just another tool in your tool belt. They know they can do it responsibly, they can do it safely and with trust. Talk to Vertesia. Vertesia has been so critical. It's everything we wanted it to be. And it's really been a game changer in terms of how we're bringing AI to the forefront at MadEngine.